Take a look. Okay, so now let's look at this A whole half diminished scale. All right, the reason why it's called a whole half diminished scale because it's constructed of whole steps and half steps. So I'm going to start on A, just so we can learn this now. You can start anywhere, right? But if you start here with A, and I'm going to go whole step, then a half step, then a whole step, then a half step, then a whole step, then a half step, then a whole step, and a half step. You see that? So it's 8-note scale, right? Now I can start anywhere, right? So, once you guys learn, learn just mess around with the scale so it's familiar. Now it doesn't sound musical at all, right? Until you use it, right? Nothing is music till you put your spirit into it. So this is just look at it and understand what it really functions as, right? It's a connector. It's a connector between the tonalities of G, the tonalities of B flat, the tonality of D flat. When I say tonalities, I mean G major, G minor, G whatever you want to do. All right? It relates to G. All right? It relates to B flat. It relates to D flat and relates to E. Oh, that's another diminished scale. That's another diminished chord right there. All right? But we're talking about that's what it's going to resolve to. All right? So let's watch. Just watch. Now, so I'm going to start this, remember this A, whole half diminished scale. This structure. So it resolves to G major, D flat major, and it resolves and it takes you back to the G major, right? Okay. Okay, so it's the connector between those four tonalities. Okay, now it's so what you need to do is know these different four tonalities, okay, right? So G major, of course, that's one sharp. B flat major has two flats. D flat major has 5 flats. And E major has 4 sharps, right? All right. So if you watch now, I'm going down this. I can ascend. I want to ascend, right? Okay. So G major. I'm in G major tonality, but I want to go up this diminished scale. Now so it's the connector. It's the connector. You see? So on and so forth, right? Okay, so you got your half diminished, all of that stuff, technical things is all in there, man. But if you just mess around with it, what you want to do is play around with these tonalities, Donald Byrd wrote a great tune that runs through each one of these using the connector, okay? And so practice that, practice that, and one more time just to show you, you got G major, any of these tonalities, right? So G major, E major, and of course, so it's the connector between this four tonal families. So those four tonal families.